Here we need to simplify the expression given 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is. So let me use the highlighter. We know that tan a can be written as sin a upon, so we expand it as 1 plus sin square a upon cos square a, and cot can be written as cos a, cot a can be written as cos a upon sin a. So we expand it as 1 plus cos square a upon sin square a. Now we simply take the LCM of numerator denominator, and it comes out to be sin square a plus cos square a upon cos square a and upon sin square a plus cos square a upon sin square a, which on division we multiply it by reciprocal. So we take the reciprocal of this expression here. So it comes out to be sin square a plus cos square a upon cos square a into sin square a upon sin square a plus cos square a. So this expression basically got inverted and got multiplied. Now we know that sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So it acts as sin square a upon 1, and this acts as 1 upon cos square a. So finally it comes out to be sin square a upon cos square a, which can be written as tan square a. So the simplified expression for 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is tan square a. This would be your final answer. Here we can see tan square a.